evolving natural body. They constantly have some factors and processes that affect its formation. Well, dirt is what we have on our clothes, on the fingernails, on our shoes. Just some particles of soils. So it's absolutely too different. Soil is the foundation of life. We really cannot live without soils. And in New York City, we forget that there is a soil resource because it's hidden under concrete. But it's important to remember, very slowly renewable resource because it takes hundreds and thousands of years to form. And it's very fragile. We can easily destroy it, but to restore it, it will take a really long time for nature. That most of the soil, up to 45%, consists of minerals, those sediments that I asked you before. 25% will be filled with air, another 25% with water, and 5% remaining will be organic. The study of soil formation is called pedology. So this is the study of soil formation, soil mapping, and soil classification. The very first soil classification was actually created in Russia in the late 1900s. Vasily Dokuchayev, he was one of the first scientists in the world who started to describe soil. He first described soil in Russia latitudinally and give them characteristics. He wrote very important books that most of pedologists read even these days because it's considered as like a Bible for soil scientists. This work was really unique because before there was no classification, there was no names for soils, and soils were not really written. So why soils are important? Soils have different ecosystem services that are important for nature and our livelihood, but also they're important, as you mentioned before, as a medium for plant growth and engineering. All of infrastructure is built on soils. But soils can also purify water and air, because if the organisms die, they will be broken down in nutrients and elements. They'll end up in the soil, and then other plants will take it up, and then it will be moved to another trophic level. So soil is the foundation for everything to happen. Of course, many organisms live in the soil. Some of them are invisible for us, they're microorganisms. Some of them are large, like